Welcome you all for this video lecture. Myself, C. Usharani, working as the Assistant Professor under the Department of AIDS from Ramco Institute of Technology at Rajapalayam. In this video, I am going to discuss about email protocols in computer networks. And this is my outline of my video lecture. First one, we will discuss about the introduction on email. Second one, SMTP. Third one, POP3. Fourth one, INAP. And fifth one, MIME. Let us discuss about introduction. As we all know, email stands for electronic mail. It is inexpensive, fast, and easy to distribute the information. By using this email, we will send the text, images, videos, audios, and multimedia files. In email, the person who is sending the mail is called a sender, and who receives the mail is called as receiver. It is one of the widely used services in the network. And there are two interfaces to access the mail from web server and send the mail to another the user. First one is desktop email client, and second one is mail web interface. The example for desktop email client is Outlook, Mozilla, and the example for mail web interface is Gmail, Yahoo, and Rediff Mail, and so on. Next, there are many features are available in the email. First one, a message with attachments. This feature is used for sending the PDF file, document file, and multimedia file. And hyperlink. Through the hyperlink, we can send the link in the message body. And third one is HTML formatted text by using the HTML code. And finally, embedded photos. Through this, we can send the photo in message body. And this is the components of email. There are three components are available for sending the mail. First one is message envelope, and second one is message header, and third one is message body. The message envelope can show the format of the email, and message header that contains the subject of email and information about the sender and receiver. And last one is message body. It contains the mail content of the email and comprises the image, text, and other file attachments. Next, there are three types of agents are involved in email. First one is mail user agent, that is MUA, and mail transfer agent, MTA. Last one, mail delivery agent, MDA. First, mail user agent is also referred as the email client. It is nothing but a computer application that allows you to send and retrieve the mail. For example, Outlook, Yahoo, and Gmail. It is what you interact with as opposed to the email server which transports the email. Next one is mail transfer agent, that is the MTA. This is the program that's also responsible for transport, delivery, and forwarding the email. Here the MTA is also a email server, and mail delivery agent is also known as local delivery agent, that is the LDA, which can be used to take the mail from the MTA and deliver the same mail to the server mailbox. These are all the agent of email. And next, there are four types of email protocols are there. First one, SMTP, POP3, and IMAP, and MIME. And SMTP stands for Simple Mail Protocol. This is just a mail sending protocol. And POP3 is Post Office Protocol. It is Mail Access Protocol. And IMAP is Internet Message Access Protocol. This is also a mail access protocol. First, let us discuss about the SMTP. It stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is application layer protocol, and it can be used to send the mail from the sender mail server and receive the mail server. And this figure shows the architecture of SMTP. Here, one side we have a sender and it has a sender mail server, and another side we have a receiver it has a receiver mail server, and this SMTP protocol can simply transfer the mail from sender to receiver. Next, let us take one example to understand the SMTP protocol working. In first step, Alice uses a user agent to compose the email message to Bob. Here, the email ID of Bob is bob@someschool.edu. In second step is the Alice user agent sends the message to her mail server using SMTP. So the same email placed in the message queue. Here, the SMTP protocol is used to transfer the message from Alice to Alice mail server. It shows in the figure. In the third step is client side of the SMTP at the mail server open the TCP connection with Bob mail server. Here the TCP connection is established between the Alice mail server and the Bob mail server. Here both the mail server can communicate by using the port number 25. The fourth step denotes the SMTP client sends the Alice message over the TCP connections. Here the SMTP client sends the Alice message to Bob mail server through the TCP connection. In fifth step, Bob mail server places the message in Bob mail server. Whenever the message can be stored in the Bob mail server, at the time the SMTP protocol is used to store and deliver the mail to the Bob agent. The last step, Bob invokes his user agent to read the message. So this is the working of SMTP protocol. These are all the some commands are available in SMTP. First command is hello, can be used to initiate the SMTP session. And next one is mail from. It can be used to identify the sender of the message. And third one is receipt to, used to identify the recipient of the message. And data, it contains the actual message, that is the body of the message. And quiet can be used to terminate the SMTP session. And the RSET, that is the reset, can be used to abort the message that is currently being used. And these are all the some SMTP responses. This is the just 3-digit code that may be followed by the additional textual information. 220 denotes service is ready, and 250 denotes request command is completed, and 354 okay to transmit the message, and 500 denotes the syntax error, and 554 denotes the transaction failed. And this is the operation of SMTP. There are 3 operations are involved in SMTP. First operation is connection setup, second one mail transfer, and third one is connection terminated. In connection setup phase, the overall the sequence is quite simple. First, the sender open the TCP connection with the receiver. Once the connection is established, the receiver is identifies itself, the server is ready. In third step, the sender identify itself with a hello command, and the receiver accepts the sender identification with OK message that denotes by 250. If the mail server and the destination is unavailable, the destination host is returned, the service is not available. That can be replayed in step 2, and the process is terminated. This is shown in the figure. And mail transfer operation. Once the connection has been established, the SMTP sender may send one or more message to the SMTP receiver. So there are 3 logical phases to transfer the message. First one, the mail command identify the originator of the message. Once the RCTP commands identify the recipient of the message, the data can be transferred to the message text. And third operation is connection termination. The SMTP sender closes the connection in 2 steps. First, the sender can quiet the commands and wait for the reply from the server. And the second step is to initiate the TCP close operation for the TCP connections. That can be denotes by the command 221. And these are all the operations of SMTP. Next, we will discuss about the POP3 protocol, that is Post Office Protocol. It is also a application layer internet standard protocol, is used by local email clients to retrieve the email from a remote server, overall TCP IP connection. And it used the 110 as a port number using TCP connection. After the TCP connection establishment, it performed three phases. First phase is authorization, second one is transaction, and third one is update. In authorization phase, we will do the verification of username and password. In transaction phase, can do the retrieving the mail and listing the mail and also display the mail. It can be shows in the figure. And third step, that is update. This update, all the POP3 connection can be closed by using the commands like quiet. And these are all the some POP3 commands. Um, First one is UID, can be used for open the connection, and stat command can be used to display the how many number of messages are currently using in the mailbox. And third command is list, can be used to get the summary of overall the message. And retrieve, that is RETR, this command helps to select the such an important mail to access the message. And delete can be used to delete the particular message. And the RSET, that is the reset, is used to reset the session to its initial state. And last command is quiet. It can be used to log off the session. Next protocol is IMAP. So IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. This is also the application layer protocol that allows the client to access the email on the remote mail server. For example, email stored on the IMAP server can be manipulated from the desktop computer at home, and workstation at the office, and notebook computer while traveling, and without need to transfer the message or file back and forth between these computers. So compared to the another protocol, this IMAP provide the following features. That is, it is the faster response time compared to POP3, and it allows the multiple mail clients connected to a single mailbox simultaneously, and it keep track of the message state like read, deleted, started, and replied, etc. And it provide the feature of search for the particular message on the server. And this IMAP protocol can support the email service in three mode. First mode is offline mode. In offline mode, it is periodically connected to the server, and all the emails are deleted from the server after the downloading. And in online mode, it continuously connected to the server, and email can be stored on the server only. And we can combine both this online mode and the offline mode features. It produces the disconnect mode. These are all the three modes of IMAP. And these are all the IMAP commands and IMAP responses. In IMAP consists of following commands such as login, authenticate, select, examine, close, and logout. And the IMAP responses of OK, no, and bad. That is, no denotes the no permission, and the bad denotes the incorrect command. These all the commands and responses can be used for particular purposes. And last protocol is MAME. MAME stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. The main feature of the MAME is it adds the multimedia capability to SMTP. In earlier days, the email system was designed to send the message only in ASCII format. To overcome these features, and it also does not support the languages such as French, Chinese, etc. And also image, audio, and video file cannot be sent. So overcome all these limitations, by using this MIME. The main features of MIME, it's add the multimedia capability, as already I said, and this is the working principle of MIME. MIME protocol mainly convert the non-ASCII data to 7-bit NVT, that is the Network Virtual Terminal ASCII, and the vice versa. Suppose one user wants to send the email through the user agent and it is a non-ASCII format. So there is a MIME protocol convert this 7-bit NVT ASCII format. So the message is transferred through the email system to the another side in the 7-bit format. Now this MIME protocol again convert it back into the non-ASCII code. And now the user agent of the receiver side read it, and then information is finally read by the receiver. Next, MIME header. There are the 5 headers that we add into the original header. First one is MIME version. It defines the version of MIME protocol, and it must have a parameter value 1 and 0, which indicate the message is formatted using MIME. Next one is content type. This is the type of the data used in body of the message. There are different types like text data, audio content, or video content. And second header is content type encoding. It defines the method is used for encoding the message, like 7-bit encoding or 8-bit encoding, etc. And next header is content ID. It is used for uniquely identify the message. And content description. It is the it defines whether the body is actually a image, video, or audio. So far we have discussed about the 4 protocols in the computer networks. Thanks for watching.